Hello everyone. So today I'm going to unbox a pair of running shoes by Bata from their range called Power. And I was just thinking of going to the gym and working out. So I was looking for running shoes or gym shoes, and then I came across this one in Amazon, and I thought of purchasing it. When I was like thinking which brand would be good, I was just looking for different brands, and then I came across this one and I found it pretty good. So the color was not pretty much prominent in Amazon site, so I went to Bata's own website and I checked for this one. And this one they were showing it was 1899, but my size was not available there, so I had to purchase it from Amazon. And why not? Because I have got it for 475 only. Can you imagine? So yes, yeah, the first day when I was looking for it, or I was trying to purchase it, that time it was 498. But the next day when I went to purchase it and it was in my cart, it became 472 or 475, I guess. I'm not sure, but yeah, it was around 475 or 72 only, and I purchased it immediately. And yesterday night, only after midnight, actually, I bought this one. But today morning, I got the delivery. I must say, Amazon Prime has done a really good job delivering this product. And as you can see, they haven't sent it in a polythene packet or something like that, and they are like joining this initiative to protect the environment, and they're also helping us, I mean the customers of Amazon, for helping them protect the environment, and which is really a good thing. I appreciate that. So you can see here the details are there, and the shoes weight, the shoes weigh around 0.62 kgs. Let's unbox it. To be honest, I have already opened it, but yes, I have kept it as is. Yes, so here it is. So I'm not sure how the color is looking here. To understand the actual color, I will provide you with the link of the Bata website where I checked it out properly. I mean the features and everything. So you can check it out there, and the shoes look really good. I'm at least I am fond of the color pink, so I chose this one. And I think there was blue or something, but my size was anyway not available, so I had to buy this one only. But it looks really good, and I wore it also. I tried it out and it's good. I don't think running shoes should be really light, because it gives you a proper balance for your body. And also light shoes tend to become bad, or it tends to become uh, worse very quickly. So this one is 0.65 or 62 kgs, and this one is pretty good. And the sole you can see is also good enough. Power is written there also, and here also it's written. And when I wore this one, I felt it that the paddings are really good. It provides a good amount of comfort to your feet. Here you can find padding, and inside also in this place you will feel that when you wear this one. So yeah, this looks pretty much good, and at 475 these kinds of shoes, and that too by a brand like Bata, is really good, I think. But I'll have to see how long it lasts, because I was pretty much skeptical looking at the price. Why, I was thinking why they are providing it at such a cheap rate. I was really skeptical, but yeah, let's see. But Amazon has provided 3 months warranty with this product. So if something happens to it, I think I can um, provide my feedback or get in touch with them for that. So yeah, this is it. You can see here both the pairs. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. I just wanted to help you out with this one if you have thought of purchasing this one. And I would suggest if you get at such a small, sorry, such a small amount, yeah, or maybe uh, at that price that I have purchased it with, then you should definitely go for it. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.